So physiology is the oldest branch of biological science. It dates back as far as about 400 BC. In short, physiology is about how the body works, how living organisms works. So it looks at functions down to the single cell, up to how muscles and nerves work, how the heart pumps, and to the various different functions of the brain. So studying physiology, you look at various different organ systems, like the heart, lungs, kidneys, how they interact and how they maintain normal body function. So a student that studies physiology as part of the Bachelor of Science here at NUI Galway would learn about how nerves and muscles interact to control movement. They would learn about the causes and consequences of when that physiological function doesn't work properly, such as in diseases like Parkinson's disease, ALS. Practical classes are an integral part of teaching physiology here at NUI Galway. It allows the students to gain in-depth knowledge of the physiological functions and allows the students as well to actually measure these physiological functions on themselves, things like blood pressure, reflexes, etc. So as you can see, physiology is a core subject in all health-related disciplines. It helps us understand about health and disease, and as a result we can understand the causes of disease and hopefully identify new therapeutic treatments for these disorders. Physiology here at NUI Galway offers students a range of career opportunities. So as part of your degree, you undertake various lab projects, you undertake research projects in your final year, and this gives students the opportunity to understand what it's like to work as a research scientist. So a number of our students each year go on to do postgraduate research training, either at master's or PhD level, with a view to either working as a research scientist or going on to being potentially a lecturer here at the university or other universities around the world. Because physiology is a core subject in health-related disciplines, a number of our students also go on to further study in the areas of medicine, dentistry, dietetics, sports science. Another interesting area is teaching. We have a number of students that go into teach biology because they have done their degree in physiology. We have students that go in and onto careers in regulatory affairs, in medical sales, in health and safety. So again, you can see that the opportunities are limitless, and physiology provides a very good framework for a wide variety of various different careers. I would recommend students to study physiology here at NUI Galway as part of the Bachelor of Science degree, because physiology is a really exciting area of research. Physiology provides you with training in both scientific and technical skills that can be used to address very complex, intricate scientific questions. Currently, one of the most interesting and actively researched areas is that of neurophysiology and neuroscience, how the brain and how the nervous system works. So understanding how the brain works in more detail will give us ideas on the causes and the consequences of various neurological and neurodegenerative diseases such as depression, anxiety, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and again hopefully identifying then new treatments for these very complex and understudied disorders. If you are a person that likes biology, has an inquisitive mind, wants to know more about how the body works, wants to potentially see if there are new treatments out there for these disorders, then physiology is really the subject for you.